Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of May 22nd, 2022. As you can see, last week the market is closing in the crazy volatile mode as the option expired on last Friday. So the market pushed it down very hard and then they bounce back up. So the question here is the SP 500 in the bear market. So the chart you look at here, that the mini SP 500 ES chart for the June contract. As you can see here, the market they on Thursday they come back down, they follow double bottom. So the definition of the bear market in the SP 500 is if the SP 500 drop below 20%, that's a signal for the bear market in the SP 500. However, on Friday the market is go very deep, try to take out the low here, but the last minute people buy back in and put it back above the 20% drop. So the threshold here, they try to go here, and a lot of people they thinking that they go to put a short and then market turn around. So this is a very critical, important level that you can see that the market either found the bottom or or they have to put it back and come back down and retest it. So that will be bottom. So right now we look at the chart, everything is still turned red, and the momentum is still in the negative side. However, the strong buy in the last minute on Friday, they show you that the market will find some very strong support here. So in the short term, the market be able to clear this high here and push it up, and then we have potential that the market is trying to get up and test this level here, or if they continue to put it higher, that's the sign of the market bottom. So right now at this moment, we will looking for some kind of rebound to the upside for the next week. And if I see the momentum able to turn around here, and then and they give me a good side of the market will be rebound, and then we will go and we will see exactly what the market they want to do next. So right now technically the overall trend is still kind of bearish. However, the market still try to defend for the bear market. Okay, so they still put it back up, as long as they still hold up the market, it can turn around and put it up to the upside. So we will see next week is very important. We have to the holiday weekend, and let's see the market be able to put it up, and then they can show us some kind of rebound, and then we will go from there. Okay, so if you look at the Nasdaq is still choppy, everything in red, momentum is lying down. Okay, if you can see the turnaround next week, then that's a sign that the market be able to put it up. We still have a strong down trend super resistance here. In order for the bull to come back, they need to clear this one here in order to come back up. The Dow is also in the downside, okay, but they are same thing like the ES. They have a strong bounce on last minute. So let's see they can carry the momentum to the upside next week. The Russell 2000 is still choppy, low high, low low. However, they still hold up pretty high. They don't make it low. And if they next week they can bounce back up and clear this resistance, we have a short-term bounce to the upside there. If you look at the crude oil is still in the upside, even sideways. Momentum is still positive. Everything is still good. So even though they still have a lot of resistance here, let's see how are they doing when they get back to the sell zone here. But momentum is still continue with high low to the upside. Gold is still in the downside. However, they try to find a way to put it back up, but they need to have a lot more momentum in order to put it up to the upside. They have a lot of resistance here, so technically it's still choppy sideways. If you look at the natural gas a little bit weaker, but they still hang tight there. If they drop below here, then the momentum can turn to the negative. If you look at the dollar, it also turned around for last 3 days to the downside. So when the market goes down, dollar tend to go up, but now the dollar they coming back down, so they give a good sign for the euro, try to find a way to put it up. Okay, so that's another opposite direction between the euro and the US dollar, as you can see here. So momentum is trying to turn around for the the euro also. Now, if you look at the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is trying to hold on to the support at this level here. This is very critical, even though momentum is still in the downside, but they come back a couple of times, they still hold tight at the buy zone. So if they can clear up this level, they can turn around quick to the upside, as well as the Ethereum also at the buy zone. They hold up the last couple of days very strong here, but we need something to make a turn here in order to push it up to the upside. Okay, right now everything is still red, but they are very deep to the buy zone. Let's see in the next couple of days, next week, they'll be able to turn around there. Now, if you look at the volatility index, you can see that the VIX tried to put it up to the upside, tried to punch through it, couldn't do it, and retest. Now they are in the sell mode right now. You can see momentum is back turned to negative. That's a good sign for the market to be rebound. Okay, so the VIX have been turned red for the last 4 days, so they continue to put it down. Now let's take a look on the 10-year yield, 10-year Treasury note. You can see here in the last 6 days, the 10-year Treasury note, which is the interest rate, they hit to the important level of the sell zone, and then they cannot go higher. And then, like I told you, that they start pull back down. So on Friday they continue to put it back down lower. So if this one continue to go lower, they will have a lot of technology stocks to be rebound from the bottom. Okay, and momentum, even though they go up, but momentum is already turned negative. They tell you that the Fed probably be able to do something at least in the short term to control the inflation here. Okay, so if this one continue to go lower, definitely you can see semiconductor as well as the technology stock, basically a communication service sector, will be able to find a way to rebound because they are very, very oversold right now. If you look at the 10-year, I'm sorry, the 11 sector of the S&P 500, so that we can see where we at. The first one is the material, as you can see here. They come back down, they fire the support at the buy zone, they put it back up. So we need only one more day to lift this one up to the upside. Okay, let's see it tomorrow if they'll be able to turn around, and then they can have this one. So they are rain bar between this area and this area there. The communication sector, so they found a strong support at this level here. So probably 1 or 2 more days they will try to bounce back to the upside. Energy is also strong. As you can see here, they continue to push it back up. Momentum is still there, so they probably try to get back up to the upside in the future. Look at the financial, still very weak, as you can see here. However, they try to find the support here, so but we need a lot more work in order to come back until they be able to swap around and turn around in order to tell you that they have a short-term bounce. So financial still have a lot of trouble here, as you can see. The industrial is also very weak. Okay, momentum is still going down. Everything is still not be able to turn it. So we need to couple more days to see they be able to hold up and then push it up. Otherwise, the trend is still down. Okay, the technology also put it back down. It took a new low on Friday. However, you see some biotech back in, but we need some more follow through next week in order to put it up. Okay, other than that, we still have a little bit more room to put it to the downside there. The utility sector is also hang tight at this level. It's not coming down anymore, so they are to just be sideways here. If they can clear 72.61 here, that's a sign that they're going to put it up to the upside. Consumer stable, it's also going down very fast. So usually when inflation, the consumer stable, take advantage of that and then they shoot it back up. But when momentum turns to negative from this level here, everything is going down. So now they have some support here, okay, but this is a big sell up. They give up everything from March to May, and then within only 1 month they will give up everything that they gain here. So that's another side that the market it probably very close to the bottom or already at the bottom. Okay, so we'll see. The real estate sector also get hurt because the interest rate goes so high, but now they are in the low wall here, so we need to have another high here in order to turn around and put the real estate back to the upside. Okay, the XLV, which is the healthcare sector, it also found a strong support at this level here. The healthcare, they are not moving. They tend to go sideways, upper bound, lower bound, depend on the need for the healthcare, the COVID, and those kind of stuff. But they push it back up, they pull back down, they hold tight here. So if they have one more clear up to that level, they will push it back up to the top again. The XLY, actually healthcare is very stable. They are in the sideways, but you can trade the rainbow there. The XLY also the wicked one, consumer discretionary, that they still continue to go down. They try to hold the support here, but you see everything momentum is still negative. So we're not hurrying to get into this sector yet. However, on the XLV, you can see that this one is rainbow trade, and a lot of stock here. I'm going to give you 3 potential that healthcare stock this week so that you can take a look and watch out. And they are still pretty strong. Number 1, MRK. Let me see much. MRK with a COVID, it continued to headline. Okay, and you can see that this most company they have a pill and all kind of stuff there that will help the COVID. So this one is continue to rumble to the upside, and momentum is still going up. Everything is still beautiful to the upside there. Next one is Amgen. Okay, that's another strong one. They pull back down, found support. Now they're looking forward to put it up to retest the upper bound there. And the next one is the GILD. That's another potential to break out this level here. So if you can see, if we break out this level here, they have more momentum to put it up to the upside for next week. Okay, so as you know that trading is not a get rich quick scheme like many people are thinking. Okay, so it's a very risky business. It's not about luck. Okay, and if you don't know how to read the chart, understand the technical analysis, then you are gamble with the stock market. Okay, so that's why you need to learn and understand, put up some education for yourself so that you can be in the right side of the market, because the market is not go straight up, not go straight down. And in the last 5 months, okay, a lot of people get hit, okay, because they don't know what to do. They buy right on the top, and now they sell at the bottom, and that's where the market is trying to turn around. So that's why you need to invest your time to learn and understand how to read the chart, how to use the right technical analysis to analyze the chart so that you can see clearly when you're supposed to be get in and get out. Okay, the human is we always thinking wrong. But the chart is never like they say going down, they're going down, they say going up, they will going up. So all you know, you know where you're at and manage your risk, and definitely you will be in the high probability of the winning rather than losing. Okay, so that's all I have for you today, and let's see how the market working out next week, and hopefully we will have some kind of rebound at this level in the short term, and then we can go there and then update to you during the week so that you can see where we're heading to. Okay, so at this moment we are drop below 20%, but we still stay above the 20%. So it means that the bear market is not there yet. Okay, the market to try one more attempt to push it up. So at this moment, we hopefully that we will find some either support or bottom out very soon here. The worst case scenario here is about 37.75. Okay, so we'll see. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.